Episode 38H1 of 2 Island and PM 2.5 can cause lung cancer in non-smokers. Island noted that a team of researchers at Francis Crick Institute, FCI, and University College London, UCL, funded by Cancer Research UK, have identified a non-small cell lung cancer, NSCLC, mechanism driven by fine particulate matter, PM 2.5, particles that are 2.5 microns or less in diameter, which are found in 90% of wood smoke. The researchers found that PM 2.5 can cause lung cancer in non-smokers. Air pollution acts as a trigger for lung cancer. The mechanism by which air pollution may induce non-small cell lung cancer in never smokers was researched. Scientists found that fine particulate matter of 2.5 micrometer size, PM 2.5, triggers inflammation in the lungs and causes lung cells with pre-existing mutations to start forming a tumor. The finding may lead to new approaches to lung cancer prevention and points out the importance of reducing air pollution for human health. The World Health Organization, WHO, reports that lung cancer was the most common cause of cancer death in 2020, accounting for 1.8 million deaths globally. There are two main types of lung cancer, depending on the size of the cancer cells: small cell lung cancer, SCLC, and non-small cell lung cancer, NSCLC. NSCLC is far more common, accounting for 8 out of 10 lung cancer diagnoses. About 10% to 20% of lung cancers happen in people who have never smoked or smoked fewer than 100 cigarettes in their lifetime, according to the Centers for Disease Control, CDC. A team of researchers at the Francis Crick Institute, FCI, and University College London, UCL, looked at never smokers who developed non-small cell lung cancer. The scientists noticed most of them lived in areas where air pollution levels exceeded WHO guidelines. Although air pollution has been associated with lung cancer incidence for at least 20 years, the exact mechanism by which small pollutant particles in the air cause lung cancer had not been identified. Now, the team of researchers at FCI and UCL, funded by Cancer Research UK, have identified a non-small cell lung cancer mechanism driven by fine particulate matter, PM 2.5, particles that are 2.5 microns or less in diameter, which are found in 90% of wood smoke. The researchers have demonstrated that air pollution wakes these cells up in the lungs, encouraging them to grow and potentially form tumors. Mary noted that the focus of Residents Against Wood Smoke Emission Particulates, ROSEP, is on the health effects to near neighbors of living next to residential wood burning, in those hyper-localized areas where the source of particulate pollution, PM 2.5, is concentrated. PM 2.5, particulate matter of 2.5 micrometer size, is the perfect size to infiltrate the human lung, causing a cascade of human health problems. Wood smoke consists of 90% PM 2.5. Residential PM 2.5 monitors can be purchased by neighbors from Purple Air for less than $300, and their locations are put on the online Purple Air map, along with data uploaded every 10 minutes, available to the general public, and of course, to governmental authorities. Neighbors of residential wood burners would like their Purple Air PM 2.5 monitor data to be used to regulate and shut down residential wood burning detected at neighbors' fence lines that exceeds the World Health Organization, WHO, standards of 5 micrograms per meter cubed or future U.S. standards of 8 micrograms per meter cubed. There could even be court-ordered monitoring using a neighbor-owned Purple Air PM 2.5 monitor as a breathalyzer, similar to car breathalyzers court-ordered for repeat drunk drivers, to turn off the ignition of a neighboring indoor wood stove when levels of PM 2.5 in a near neighbor's yard is exceeded. In this way, governmental authorities would not have to check the make and model of an appliance and would not have to rely on unreliable certification and other worthless assurances of levels of wood stove particulate emissions by the company that manufactured it. Purple Air monitors also provide data every 10 minutes 24 hours a day, and data can be downloaded from the map by governmental authorities the day after the PM 2.5 levels are exceeded, during normal government working hours. Purple Air PM 2.5 monitors are so reliable and accurate they are put on U.S. Air Now smoke and fire maps alongside $100,000 Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, monitors, correlated to the EPA monitors with a simple mathematical formula. But to publicize this, it is necessary to point out that living hyperlocalized next to a residential wood burner is essentially the same as living hyperlocalized next to any kind of PM2.5 emitting wood burning appliance, next to a PM2.5 emitting wood burning wildfire, or next to a PM2.5 emitting industrial biomass wood burning facility.